Good morning mga idol. Yung paninda ko inahanda ko na naman para mamaya. Shout out Marvin Janet Baoson, Angel Sweet, shout out Romulo Manaw, si Garcia Junior, shout out Kuya James Vlog, shout out yung dalawang apo ko, si John Jojen, Maria Josephine, shout out Fabian Joy Jumar, Santa Biray, shout out Joseph Lictawa, shout out Asmin, shout out Tintin Roca, shout out Carlo Anjo Navarro, tak mo, shout out Bialy Jordan Franco, shout out Jong Oson, shout out Rins Bautista, shout out Boss Eric, shout out Mang Frederick Ramirez Diaz, shout out Joan, shout out Jong Oson, shout out Pulsoy, shout out Maricar Bukaw, shout out. Ang parinda ko nahanda ko na Charmac Mamros, shout out Ma'am Fatima Joy, shout out Maricar Bukaw, shout out. Yun na. Good morning Tuesday sa ating lahat.